Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to download GTA Vice City on PC. So I recommend you to use this Steam application, then create your account because this app is very convenient to purchase any games on for PC. Okay, so now let's use the search bar and then search for Grand Theft Auto Vice City. Okay, so as you can see, you will just have to click on the first one. Okay, you can see that at the top, and then tap on it to begin your purchase. Okay, so let's read this for a while. Then you will be asked to put your birth date here. Then, so right after that, just click on the view page. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds. So if you purchase this game, it includes three items. Okay, so just read this so you will have knowledge before purchasing this application. So just tap on this in cart. Okay, so this one, the green one. Okay, so that's right. You can purchase this as for yourself or purchase this as a gift. Okay, so let's tap on the purchase for myself, and then you'll be asked to select your payment method, and then you will just have to input your payments information. Right after that, you'll be able to get the game. Now, to locate the game that you have purchased, you'll just have to go to your library. Okay, this one at the top of your screen, just click on it. Then you'll be able to see your purchase games here. So for example, let's tap on this. Okay, we're just going to demonstrate to you, and then just click on install to install the GTA. Okay, and then make sure that you have enough space for this game. So right after that, you will just have to wait, and if you see the play option here, it means that the game is already downloaded, so you can begin playing. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.